Today I'm going to show you how to install this beautiful pine ceiling. These are tongue and grooved, 5.5 inches wide, and attach them with a finishing nail gun. I'm just starting to put up these tongue and grooved pine boards on the ceiling of the bathroom, and these have all been polished, put 2 coats on before putting them up, and then we're using a nail gun to nail them together. I will show you that later, but just basically cut it to length, line it up, make sure it's square, and nail it, then fit the next piece in, slide the groove into the tongue, and just work your way up. When I nail them, I go right in here at an angle, so the nail goes and misses, so when the next board goes in here, it won't hit the nail. If it hits it a little bit, this pine is soft enough that it'll just ding out the wood, but it's better to nail them here. Some people face nail them here and here. It looks terrible. You'll have nails all over the ceiling. So we nail right there in the edge of the tongue, and then for the most part you won't see them. And another thing, when putting the boards in, take a piece, there's the groove, and take and put it in between the rafters, and then hit it with a hammer to tap the board down so it's tight down in here. Sometimes you need to take we use a 2x4, 2 screws, and we'll put it up on a rafter screwed in, and then down at that lower end we'll put a pry bar on there. It's actually best to take and put a piece of wood here, then put up the 2x4 up against it, and then put the pry bar. Otherwise you could ding this edge here, fatten it out, and it'll be hard for the next piece to fit in. Here's what it looks like after it's been nailed. You can just barely see a nail right there. For the most part though, here's another one, there's one right there, but for the most part you can't see the nails. Like I say, some people face nail them. I don't like that look, so we nail up in the groove at oh gosh, what is that, maybe 30 degrees, maybe 45, and then for the most part you don't see the nails. And this is the finished ceiling. You do need to put some trim up around the edges. There'll be trim across there and up this side too. But isn't that a gorgeous ceiling? Love it. It's pine, not sure what kind, but it's strong, durable wood. It's a little bit on the soft side, but it'll hold up for many years. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.